Welcome to part 3 of a very exciting program, Chat Jamaican, touring the Accompong Town in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Part 1 and 2 were fun and educational. Watch now if you have not done so. In part 3, we continue to explore and tour Accompong Town. Come and chat with Tania, everyone from different culture. Learn the Jamaican structure, just like, share and subscribe, yeah. Okay, so I am at the bank of Accompong. I am not sure how it operates, but this is very beautiful to see that they have a bank in the community. CSRB, Bank of Accompong, and it's a wonderful building. So I am not sure of the operations, but overall the scenery, the view, everything is beautiful about the community. It is very lovely, it is wonderful, and I really enjoy what is happening now with the tour throughout Accompong in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Very wonderful experience.
$1,000 just Jamaican dollars. That's a coin.
So one maroon coin, you get that for $1,000 Jamaican dollars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tourists come and buy the coin?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, because it would be like a souvenir to them.
That's it, yeah.
Okay, that is interesting.
So I don't know it more.
Yes.
And we're trying to ratify it within the United Nations and the Jamaican government and get everything up and running.
Come, you hold it and tell me about it.
I'm ready. Alright,
so this is
the Lumi, the maroon note. And one Lumi is valued to like $1,000 Jamaican dollar. And when this come in existence, when you come to Accompong, by entering the community, you if you have US dollar or Jamaican dollar, you change it down at the gate for Lumi, and you get your tour, you get your drink, you get your food and everything. And then if it even have to go back to Santa Cruz, then the Lumi would change over to the cost of the merchandise that you spend your money with.
Alright, so what can this buy?
This can buy any drink or any service once it came into existence.
Okay, so how much is it worth in Jamaican dollars?
$1,000 Jamaican dollars at the present.
Okay.
You mentioned when persons enter. How repeat what you said already.
When persons enter at the gate and you have you like you come with your Jamaican or your US currency, you will get Lumi to enter the village. And once you come to the village, you'll spend your Lumi at any local shop, and then they would reimburse the shopkeeper back to the Lumi. So if you buy 5 Heineken for one Lumi, that would be like $1,000 Jamaican dollar.
So tell me your name again.
Fitzroy White. So in the earliest, younger stage when I was growing up, when they have the Maroon celebration, the feast at Kinder, I witnessed the elder Maroon. They were dancing in Mayal, and they climbed the tree and they do a lot of activity up there and they didn't fall.
And the mile is the spirit, right?
It's the spirit.
They do an activity in the tree?
Yeah. Dance.
Meaning jump up and dance and stand on one branch and so on?
Yeah.
And they don't fall out of the tree?
Don't fall. And a lady, the name, they call him Muma. She jump in the pringing maca and none never. He didn't get a scratch.
That is a juki maca them?
Yeah.
But what has the experience been like though? Have you experienced that before?
Yeah. Most likely on the 6th of January and Cudjoe celebration. Yeah.
So is it always like that on the 6th of January
Yeah,
where persons getting into Mayal and
the
stuff like that?
spiritual.
Ah.
Yeah.
So isn't it a scary experience?
Yeah, most likely to people who don't have the experience, you know.
So do you recommend like parents bringing their children to an event like this?
Yeah, people always bring their kids. So most likely when they're in the Mayal, they always separate, they always keep them away.
Oh, okay.
Daria, what is your experience like living in a compound?
That's our experience. We're living up here as well.
Yeah, born and grown.
So
in the
they would have had experience with Cudjoe and
No, they never have the experience.
no. What about the generations
Yeah,
before?
the generation before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are there any stories? Tell us some story, man.
Story, man. Good at the story.
Tell us some story what your grandparents used to tell you about the Maroons and anything.
Most likely my parents said I will tell about story. Most likely like Anansi story.
Remember I mentioned about traditional herbs and medicine? This one is called cowfoot leaf. Cowfoot leaf is a thing like for hypertension and stuff like that. Even if you have stuffy nose and like sinus, you could just rub this up, smell this. Just hold it and smell it.
Okay. Wow.
It's like a clear nostril, like an inhaler. And cowfoot leaf, we can do it in medicine form. Even when we have persons coming where we don't have no ready product now, it's just because of the coronavirus. So we have to just lock shop, you know. But basically we dry them, soldier green like that. Some person going to the US or UK or Canada can bring stuff with them and boil it and drink it. You drink it like a tea.
What's the name of the bush?
Cowfoot leaf.
Cowfoot leaf.
Cow turnip leaf.
Yeah. So this is a cowfoot leaf. Awesome, very interesting, very cultural.
See them there the end.
We are heading to the Congo burial ground. And you see, it's a nice look.
It's another burial ground?
Yeah, this is one of the original burial ground.
Okay.
And the person who are actually buried here are descendants from the Congo tribe.
The Congo tribe.
And the Congo tribe is now a part of the Cameroon. Back in Africa. Cameroon in Africa.
The Cameroon country. The country itself.
Yeah, in Africa.
Oh, so the persons that came here.
Here were descendants from the Congo, but they changed the name to Cameroon.
Oh.
Yeah. So this originally, persons who buried here are descendants from the Congo tribe. Up until today, we have a few persons still living in Accompong that are descendants from the Congo tribe. But originally, we never used to.
We can go on the grave?
Go on, man. Go pop it down.
Why?
No, me display something with it. Go on.
So you're sure nothing on me?
Nothing on there.
Guys! Him send me in the bush.
Yeah. I send you in the cemetery to pick a leaf because I'm gonna display something for you. Go and pick some of that red and green leaf tree, which is called a dragon blood.
The ancestors.
We have to greet them.
So I got to pull down this tree?
Yeah. This process I'm doing now, it's called liberation. Liberation is like cheering up the spirits of the ancestors. Whenever time we come to historical cemeteries, we always bring a drink of rum and some water. Because you know, African spirits, if you give them pure rum, they can get angry. So once I give them the rum, just pick one tree.
So what you do with the leaves?
And I'm gonna tell you about the leaf.
Okay.
The leaf is called dragon blood, and that is what one of the markings that mark cemeteries are burial ground. Whenever you used to have cemeteries in those days, it was burial ground. Just pop the water. burial ground in those days. And whenever time we go into the mountain and see trees like those, like the croton, the dragon blood, the calabash tree or rose apple tree, we know some of our ancestors were buried there before. But it's just present day, that's why you see some person get modernized and put some concrete, because this was the first one that get concrete here. You see how flat it is, and then that follow, and then those.
So they were just dirt.
Earth, 6'6". Give me these leaves. I was just mentioning to you about the leaves. These leaves are called dragon blood. Even if you have to see revival people in some crossroad doing some rituals, they would have coconut, sugar cane, banana, orange, grapefruit, and dragon blood, because this is like a control for the spirits or the ancestors. Walk right out that platform. Walk right out. And you are the one there. You can read the one there. But don't talk.
Oh, I have another mango tree.
That's what I feel. Well, it's how I feel. And you can just read them.
Alright, so I'm going to read this one. It says the Maroon burial grounds. Maroons originated from the Congolese, now part of the Cameroons, Ashanti and Coromante tribes of West Africa. These peoples became the founding fathers of Accompong Town, then known as Trelawney Town, where they lived and died. Each tribe had its own burial ground in close proximity to the Kinda tree. The Ashanti burial ground is situated at Old Town, where the Maroons previously lived, and this is adjacent to Kinda. The Congo burial ground is situated just a few yards northeast of the Kinda tree, and the Coromante burial ground is located northwest of the Congo burial ground and just yards from the Kinda tree. The graves are outlined with stones and are without the traditional Western headstones. An interesting identifying feature of Maroon burial grounds is that they are marked with plants and trees such as the calabash, rose apple, crotons, and dragon blood. Very interesting. Guys, it was very nerve-wracking to go into that graveyard to pick these 3 leaves. Although he don't tell me the purpose of picking the leaves in there, but he explained what they are. So I hope they are protecting me right now, and I'm being protected into the Maroon burial grounds. All right, but a lot of knowledge. View nice, no?
Can I get one picture? Cool over here, so. Can I get a picture?
Thanks for watching part 3 on Chat Jamaican of our experiences on the Accompong Maroon village tour. The tiredness went away when we stepped into the burial grounds and we became lively. Overall, the experience was awesome, friendly, and interactive. Tune into part 4 and you will learn more and see how Chat Jamaican ended the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for valuable Jamaican content. Thanks for watching. Lick more.